Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I received a message from one of our YouTube subscriber and he want to know how to design this type of heatsink in SolidWorks. So let's start. Open the SolidWorks and then start from a new part. Then sketch on front plane and then draw a rectangle and start it from origin. Now press escape button and then select both of these lines and make their relation equal. Then define the length of this line. Let's suppose 100 millimeter and then select sketch fillet command from here and fillet all these four corners. Define the fillet radius. So at the moment let's keep it 10 millimeter and press OK button. Again press OK button and then go to features tab and apply extruded boss base command. Extrusion thickness is 20 millimeter and press OK button. Then sketch on this face and make normal to. Draw a center line and start it from this midpoint up to this midpoint. Press escape button and then click on this arrow in front of rectangle and select center rectangle and start it from this midpoint. Now press escape button and then select both of these lines and make their relation equal. Then define the distance from this line up to this line 0 millimeter and then select sketch fillet command. Fillet radius is 10 millimeter and fillet all these four corners. Now press OK button and again press OK button. Then go to features tab and apply extruded boss base command. Extrusion thickness or direction is on this direction. 5 millimeter is extrusion depth and press OK button. Then from here select fillet command and select this face. Type here fillet radius 3 millimeter and press OK button. Again from here select or click on this arrow and from here select chamfer. Select this face and type here the distance 3 millimeter and then check to this option full preview. Press OK button. Next step is that you have to click on this face and sketch on it. Then make normal to and draw a line and start it from here up to this point. Now press escape button and then select this point and this line. Make their relation coincident. Next step is that you have to click on linear sketch pattern here and from here scroll down. Then click on this box entities to pattern and select this line. Scroll up. So we have to pattern these lines or instances in X direction. So type here the distance between the lines 4 millimeter and then here the quantity. Increase the quantity up to 21 and then press OK button. Now go to features tab and apply extruded cut command. Scroll down and from here in the thin feature type here 2 millimeter and then drop down these options and from here select mid plane. then scroll up and click on this box, then double click on this face. Now press OK button. So here we have created the heat sink for your CPU. Now next step is that we have to apply or define the material. So for that, right click on material here and then select edit material. Drop down copper alloys and then from here select copper and then apply and close. So now you can see we had edited the material for our heatsink. I hope you had enjoyed and learned from this video. If you want to download this file, then I will leave the download link in the description, and thanks for watching and sparing time.